In this tutorial, we will make a parametric component to our facade as a weave pattern. Let's start. Go to File, New, Family, go to Metric. Okay, select Metric, Generic, Model, Pattern Base. Open. Okay, next, select the grid, select the unit, meters to decimal places. Okay, select the grid. Let's change it to 1 meter. Okay, next we 1:10 scale. Select reference point, draw on work plane, then set work plane, set and draw reference point, set again, set work plane, draw reference point, set work plane, draw reference point, set work plane, draw reference point, cancel, select all, go to filter, check none, select reference point. Okay, go to offset, pick the button, create new parameter, type height. Okay, go to family type, change the height to 1.5 meters, apply, select the two reference point, spline through points. Okay, then check reference line, select two reference point, spline through points, check reference line, select two reference point, spline through points, check reference line, select two reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Next, select reference point. Okay, select draw on face, pick reference point 2, 3, 4, pick again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, so 4 reference point in every reference line. Okay, same in the other reference line. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now select the reference point, change 0.84 to 0.9. Okay, select reference point. Okay, change 0.5 to 0.6. Select reference point, change it to 0.4. Select reference point, then change it to 0.1. Okay, select reference point, change it to 0.9. Select reference point, change it to 0.6. Select reference point, change it to 0.4. Reference point, 0.10. Reference point, 0.9. Reference point, 0.6. Reference point, 0.4. Okay, reference point, 0.1. Reference point, select 0.9. Reference point, 0.6. Reference point, 0.4. Reference point, 0.1. Okay. Okay, here select reference point, 0.1. Reference point, 0.4. Reference point, 0.6. Reference point, 0.9. Okay, next reference point, 0.1. Reference point, 0.4. Reference point, 0.6. Reference point, 0.9. Reference point, 0.1. 0.9, sorry. Reference point, 0.6. Reference point, 0.4. Reference point, 0.1. Okay, next reference point, 0.9. Reference point, 0.6. Reference point, 0.4. Reference point, 0.1. Next, select reference point, the two reference point. Select. Okay, then spline through points, check reference line. Okay, select two reference point, spline through points, reference line. Select two reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Okay, select two reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Okay, select reference point. Okay, spline through points, check reference line. Select reference point, spline through points, reference line. Select two reference point, then spline through points, reference line. Select two reference point, then spline through points. Okay, Next, same thing, select 2 reference point, spline through points, check reference line, select 2 reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Okay, select reference point, spline through points, check reference line, select reference point, spline through points, reference line, select reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Okay, select reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Okay, select 2 reference point, spline through points, check reference line, select reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Okay, next, select reference point, select 2 reference point here and 2 reference point on the other side. Okay, select, change it to 0.75, select reference point, change it to 0.75. Okay, select the reference point below, change it to 0.25, select the other one, change it to 0.25. Next, select spline through points, pick at the reference point, then pick to the reference point, pick and pick. Okay, cancel. Let's look at the front elevation. Oh no, we need to go back, select the spline, delete, create again, select, cancel. Let's put back the reference point. Okay, select and make it 0.75. Okay, select spline through points, select, wait, select at the reference point, cancel, control tab, select, delete. We need to add again the reference point here. Okay, 0.25. Okay, one more, check follow surface. Okay, pick, wait, we need to add reference point here, change it to 0.75. Okay, spline through points, pick, then pick, up, pick. Okay, cancel, pick. Let's see, reference line. Okay, next, spline through points, pick the other side, pick, 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 and then pick. Okay, select the spline, again check reference line. Okay, next, reference point, pick here, pick, then pick here and pick. Select reference point, change it to 0.25. Select the other one, 0.25. Okay, select reference point, change it to 0.75. Change the other one, make it 0.75. Okay, now spline through points, pick, pick, then pick and pick. Okay, select the spline, then check reference line. Okay, spline through points, pick, then pick, then pick and pick. Okay, cancel, select the spline, check reference line. Okay, let's look at the front view. Okay, something wrong. Okay, let's go back to 3D view. Okay, okay, correct. Let's look at the front again. Okay, okay, this line. Okay, let's go back. Oh, I see. So check this reference point, 0.25. Okay, we have two reference point here. This one should be the right one. Okay, select the spline, delete. Okay, let's add reference point here, pick and make it 0.75. Okay, then spline through points, pick, pick, pick and pick. Okay, cancel, select spline, check reference line. Okay, let's look at again. Okay, perfect. Go back. Next, select the two spline, then create a form. Okay, select the two spline, create a form. Okay, select the select the two surface, select, then hide element. Okay, next select reference point, pick to reference point, pick, then pick here and here. Okay, select reference point, change the normalized curve parameter to 0.25, same here, change it to 0.25. Now select the reference point here, change it to 0.75. Okay, 0.75. Next, spline through points, pick, then pick and pick up here. Okay, cancel, select the spline, check reference line. Okay, spline through points, pick, then pick and pick, cancel, select spline, check reference line. Okay, two more. Okay, select the spline, select, then create a form. Okay, so we need one more. Select reference point, pick reference point here and one here, and on top one here, select reference point, check, change it to 0.25, select reference point, same 0.25. Okay, select reference point on top, 0.75. Okay, reference point 0.75. Okay, next, spline through points, pick on top. Okay, alternate, pick, then pick and pick. Okay, cancel, pick spline through points, pick, then pick and pick, cancel. Okay, select the spline, select the two spline. Okay, create a form. Okay, let's reset temporary height. Now let's change the height to 0.10, apply. Okay, now you have a weave pattern. Okay, let's change again, let's say 0.5. Okay, so you have a weave pattern, parametric weave pattern. Okay, go back to 0.10. Next, select all, go to filter, check none, select curtain panel. Okay, so we have 4 pieces. Select, go to material, select the button, create a parameter type finish. Okay, we have a finish already. Okay, let's make it with finish. Okay, let's change the materials by category. Select go to material library. Okay, let's open the material library. Okay, select the metal paint. I have let's use the paint lacquer gray finish. Okay, select, apply. Okay, next, let's save the family. Let's put into the desktop. Okay, select the desktop. Okay, change the name to adaptive with pattern. Save. Okay, let's load into project. Okay, now it's loaded. Select the mask. Okay, I have a mask here already. Edit in place. Okay, select the surface. Okay, now change it to the adaptive web pattern. Okay, it's here. Okay, so we have a big pattern, big web pattern. Okay, let's try to change it, make it smaller. Go to edit type, select the surface. Okay, now let's change the U grid to 20 and the V grid to 20, so you have more square, so it's smaller. Okay, finish the mask. Okay, go to masking and site, turn off show mask. Okay, let's adjust the view. Okay, now you have the 3D model finish. Thank you.